Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to check out our new LG InstaView fridge. Here it is. They call it InstaView because it's got this really cool open window here so you can see what's in your fridge and what's, before you open it. And the one nice thing about this one is that it's got a special door where you can open it up and get easy access to some things. We have our butter, our condiments and stuff there. You can put sodas or milk or things that you kind of grab and go right away in this door. And then you open up to the actual rest of the fridge. So it's a really nice big fridge. This is a counter depth model, but it holds a ton of stuff. The shelves are all adjustable in there. It's got two crispers in here, adjustable for fruits and vegetables. It's got an air filter in there that keeps it all nice and clean smelling. And it's got the ice maker here on the door. We actually thought that this was going to be, take up a lot of space, but you still have room for a few trays in here so you can keep some things. And then if you need to get to the ice maker, it's really easy to open up and you can see there's some ice in there. So that's great. It's got tons of space. You can open up the door, this door here also from the inside, so you can get to things when the whole fridge is open. And one thing we really love about this fridge is it's got two drawers down here, but this is called what they call the full convert drawer. And you open it up, you can set this to be an extra freezer. You can set, we have it set for meats and cheeses. You can use it to chill wines or to chill beverages. This is really neat because you can adapt this whole drawer for what you need to use it for. And then down here is the full freezer, and it's got two rows in here. And what's neat about this is that in addition to this ice maker up here, it also makes craft ice. These really cute little, not quite balls, but they're little cylinders of craft ice, and it's pretty cool. It'll make 3 to 6 of these a day, so you can put them in your fancy cocktails and stuff like that. And then it's got a couple of shelves here where you can store things and a lot of room. We had an old counter depth fridge. It's actually around the same size. Maybe this one's even technically a little smaller, but this holds a ton of stuff. We're really happy with it. So it's really great. It's got over here, it's got the ice dispenser and the water dispenser. So you can get cubed ice, crushed ice, or water. It's got this nice little measured fill feature here. So you can go 4 ounces, 8 ounces, 16 or 32 ounces, so you just push that and you go and it fills it exactly to that amount. It's got a nice display here, and this is also hooked up to Wi-Fi, so you can use it with the LG app. So that's it. That's our LG InstaView refrigerator. We really like it, and we're looking forward to using it. Thank you.